Data science is a field that has been gaining increasing popularity in recent years. It involves the use of various techniques and algorithms to extract insights and knowledge from large amounts of data. The goal of data science is to uncover patterns, trends, and relationships that can help businesses make better decisions and improve their operations. One of the key components of data science is data analysis. This involves cleaning and organizing data, as well as performing statistical analysis to identify patterns and trends. Data scientists use a variety of tools and techniques to analyze data, including machine learning algorithms, data visualization tools, and programming languages like Python and R. Another important aspect of data science is machine learning. This involves building and training algorithms that can learn from data and make predictions or decisions based on that data. Machine learning is used in a wide range of applications, from predicting customer behavior to detecting fraud to recommending products to users. Data science also involves data visualization, which is the process of creating visual representations of data to help people understand and interpret it more easily. Data visualization can take many forms, including charts, graphs, and interactive dashboards. By visualizing data, data scientists can uncover insights that might not be apparent from looking at raw data alone. In addition to data analysis, machine learning, and data visualization, data science also involves data engineering. This involves building and maintaining the infrastructure needed to collect, store, and process large amounts of data. Data engineers work closely with data scientists to ensure that the data they need is available and accessible for analysis. One of the key skills needed to succeed in data science is programming. Data scientists use programming languages like Python, R, and SQL to manipulate and analyze data. They also use tools like Jupyter Notebooks and Pandas to work with data in a more interactive and efficient way. Another important skill for data scientists is critical thinking. Data scientists need to be able to ask the right questions, identify patterns and trends in data, and draw meaningful insights from that data. They also need to be able to communicate their findings to non-technical audiences in a clear and compelling way. Overall, data science is a rapidly growing field that offers a wide range of opportunities for those with the right skills and expertise. By combining data analysis, machine learning, data visualization, and data engineering, data scientists can help businesses make better decisions, improve their operations, and drive innovation. Whether you're a seasoned data scientist or just starting out, there's never been a better time to get involved in this exciting and dynamic field.